The secret room, a forbidden love that burned too deep, a girl chasing her dreams, a man with secrets behind locked doors, and a night that changed everything. This is not just a love story, it's about passion, temptation, and the price of trust. Can you handle the truth that lives in the shadows of desire? Alina was 23, beautiful, creative, brave. She had just moved to the city to become a fashion designer. Her eyes were filled with dreams. She lived alone in a quiet building. Her world was peaceful, until he appeared. Zion lived upstairs, tall, mysterious, always wearing black. He had a voice that felt like velvet. Every time he passed by, her heart beat faster. They didn't speak at first, just glances, silent, hot, intense. That one night it rained hard. She forgot her keys and stood shivering in the hallway. Zion opened his door slowly. "You can wait inside," he said with a smirk. She hesitated, then stepped into his world. His apartment was dark and warm. Jazz music played. A soft fire flickered, books wine, a piano in the corner, and him, standing close. She sat, he poured wine. She watched him, his fingers, his lips, the way he looked at her. It was quiet, hot, full of tension. Suddenly, he sat beside her, leaned in, and whispered, "You smell like trouble." She smiled. "You don't look very safe either." Their eyes met, and he kissed her, slow, deep, full of fire. Her body shivered. His hands held her waist. She melted into him. Her heart raced. Their breath got heavier. His lips moved down her neck. Her fingers slid into his hair. They didn't speak. They didn't need words. That night, everything changed. The days after, they became lovers. Every night, they met. His kisses, her moans, the soft sheets, the tension. It wasn't just physical. There was something deeper. He touched her like she was art. She trusted him more each day. But one thing always bothered her. A locked room. He said never to open it. He warned her, "Alina, some things are better hidden, but love doesn't survive on secret." One afternoon, he left for a meeting. She had a spare key. Her curiosity won. She walked to the door. Her hands shook. She unlocked it. Inside, photos, dozens of her pictures of her sleeping, smiling, walking home. Even in the shower, she screamed, dropped the frame. Her world broke. When Zion returned, he found her crying. "Why, Zion? What is all this?" He looked hurt. "I was obsessed. Even before we met, you moved in. I watched you. I wanted to stop, but I fell in love." Alina's body was shaking. Her heart was confused. "You touched me. You kissed me. And all this was fake." "No," he said, stepping closer. "I was broken before you. But with you, I started to feel alive. I just didn't know how to stop being me." She stepped back. "I loved you," she whispered, "but you don't get to love me like that." And she walked out. After months, Alina never returned. She focused on her fashion, opened her boutique. But sometimes, in the silence of her room, she remembered his touch and cried. Love can be beautiful. Love can be wild. But love with secrets can destroy you. Real love starts with honesty. If someone hides you, controls you, or watches you in silence, it's not love, it's obsession. Alina survived, but not all girls do. Always choose yourself first.